Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha narrates that when Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him, fell seriously ill, he inquired about the day. The response was that it was Monday. He asked, on which day did the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam pass away? The answer was Monday. Upon hearing this, he said, then I hope to meet my Lord tonight. She describes that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him, had a piece of cloth on his body with traces of dirt from a garment. He instructed, when I die, wash this cloth and mix it with 2 new pieces of cloth to make my shroud. When they suggested using all new clothes, he replied, no, these garments are for a short time. On the night of Monday, when it returned into Tuesday, he passed away. This narration reflects the humility and detachment from worldly possessions of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, may Allah be pleased with him, as well as his anticipation of meeting his Lord. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 23100.